All right, today we're taking a close look at Sri Ramakrishna College of Engineering. It's located in Perambalur, and for all you TNEA aspirants out there, the code you'll need is 3454.
So right off the bat, let's talk about where this college stands nationally. It's in the NIRF 2025 engineering rank band of 151 to 200. Now what that means is it's definitely playing in a pretty solid league among engineering colleges in India.
Okay, so let's get into the first section. It's identity and standing. We're going to break down the essential credentials, the key facts that really define the college's legitimacy and recognition.
Looking at its core identity, it's a self-financing engineering college. It's been around since 2012, so it has more than a decade under its belt, and importantly, it's affiliated to Anna University, Chennai.
And just to lock this in, especially for all you students going through the TNEA process, the code for this college is 3454. Don't forget it.
Now this is a big one, a real non-negotiable for both students and parents. The college is officially AICTE approved for the academic year 2025-26. That's a green signal you always want to see. But NIRF isn't the whole story. Let's look at some other rankings. Within its own university system, Anna University ranked at 50th out of 314 affiliated colleges in 2024. That's pretty good. And if you look at the global stage, the QS World University Rankings for 2026 place it in the 201-250 band for engineering.
All right, moving on to the academic core. This is what you're all really here for, right? Let's take a look at the BE and BTech branches that are actually on offer here. So how many students can get in? For the upcoming TNEA admissions, the college has a total of 438 AICTE-approved seats available for undergraduate students. Okay, let's break down the programs. You can see they started in 2012 with the Classic 4, Civil, CSE, ECE, and Mechanical. But what's interesting is how they've evolved. Since 2018, they've added some really new-age specializations. We're talking agricultural engineering, then biomedical, followed by AI and data science, and most recently a CS branch focused on cybersecurity. Shows they're keeping up with the times.
Now for the big question, the one everyone wants to know the answer to: placements. Let's look at the return on investment. We're going to examine the career outcomes that the college itself has reported.
So the number they've put forward is 92%. That's the placement rate they've self-reported for the TNEA 2025 batch.
Academics are one thing, but what's it actually like to be a student there every day? Let's dive into the on-the-ground experience, the campus and logistics. We'll cover the essentials, like where you'll stay and how you'll get there.
Good news for students who need to stay on campus. The college has separate, permanent hostels available for both boys and girls. And for food, you'll find a vegetarian mess at both locations.
All right, let's talk about connectivity. The campus itself is pretty spacious, 45 acres, located right on National Highway 45 in Perambalur district. If you're coming by train, the nearest station is Ariyalur, which is about 25 kilometers away. And yes, the college does offer its own transport, which is always a plus. Okay, in our last main section, we'll look at the roots of the institution, its foundation and history, and also the kind of support systems, specifically financial aid, that are in place for students.
So the college got its start back in 2012. It was founded by Dr. M. Sivasubramaniam under the Sri Swami Vivekananda Educational Trust. As you can see from this timeline, they began with those 4 core branches and have just kept adding to their portfolio. Agricultural in 2018, biomedical in 2020, AI in 2022, and cybersecurity in 2024. It's a clear pattern of growth.
For eligible students, there's a good amount of support available through various government scholarships. You have schemes from the Tamil Nadu government, like the Free Laptop Scheme and the Pudamai Pen Scheme. Then there are the standard post-matric scholarships for SC/ST and OBC/minority students. On top of that, you also have AICTE's Pragati Scholarship for girls and the Saksham Scholarship for students with disabilities. So there are quite a few options to look into.
Now, just a quick but important disclaimer. All the information we've shared today is based on the college's own submissions to government portals and other trusted public data as of April 2026. It's always a good idea to double-check these details for yourself directly with the college.
So, what's the big picture here? Sri Ramakrishna College of Engineering shows a clear story of growth, especially with its addition of modern, in-demand courses since 2012. For you, the student, the real question is how these specific programs fit in with what you want to achieve in your career.
To dig deeper and compare more options, explore more engineering colleges at profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.